Hello friends, welcome to this video. Now in this video, we'll be talking about another type of line chart which is known as line chart with markers. So let us see that what is the use of these markers over here in the line chart. So first of all, let us understand what is this line with markers or line chart with markers. So a line with marker chart is simply a line chart where each data point is highlighted with a marker. So we are having here dot or square or triangle, yeah, that we can decide. So line chart with marker is a simple line chart, but whatever the points that are there, the data point, they are highlighted with a marker. So it can be a dot, it can be a square, it can be a triangle. Excel shows a connecting line to show the trend and a marker to show each exact value. Whenever you want to highlight each and every data point, that is not possible in the simple line chart, but it is possible with this line and markers or line with marker chart. What are the uses here? When you want to emphasize each individual data points, then you can use this chart. Useful when data values fluctuate frequently, and it is good for presentation purpose. Yeah, whenever you are doing the presentation, then these kind of chart looks better compared to a normal line chart. Yeah, good for presentations where precise points matter. Now, what are the advantages over here? It highlights each data points clearly, improves readability in small data set, and it helps identify the outliers or sudden changes. Then disadvantages. It becomes cluttered with too many data points. Whenever the data points are very nearer, then it doesn't look good. It is harder to read if multiple series exist. Whenever you are having 3 4 lines in one line chart, and if you are putting these markers, then sometimes the markers are very close and you are not able to read it properly. So that's one of the problem with the line with marker chart. So now let us create very quickly a simple line with markers. So here I'm using the same data set. So I'll select this whole table. I'll go to the insert tab. In the insert tab, I click this button here, line and area chart. And now here I will be going for this one, that is line with markers. We also have another option which is known as take line with markers, but that we'll see further here. So this is the line with markers. And now I can go to this plus sign also here. I can do all these changes here. So all these possibilities are available. I'll try to modify this thing. Let me see here. We can also use this various kind of quick layout. Then I will select this one, right click, and if I go for format data labels or format data series here. So now if I select this one and if I go for this here, these options, this is the series area here. So you can just play with these various options which are available in this particular line with marker chart. Just try to analyze it. If you don't like the labels here, I can remove the labels here. Yeah, it will just show the points here with the markers. So this is what we mean by the line with marker chart. Now in the next video, we'll be seeing the stake line chart. Till then, thank you very much.